I am going to discuss about arrangement of supercharger. The different arrangement of supercharger with respect to the engine are: first one is compressed coupled to engine shaft. See, this is the compressor. Air inlet is here. It is a gear which is connected between the engine and compressor. It's the exhaust. Then there is a generator or load. The compressor is operated directly by the engine with set of gearing to increase the speed of centrifugal compressor. In this case, part of engine output is used to drive the supercharger, and the net output is calculated by deducting this power from the gross power of the engine. Next one is turbocharger. See, with the engine, it is the compressor, then turbine. The release of the exhaust gases from the engine is arranged earlier, and the energy in these gases is used to develop power in a turbine which directly runs the supercharger. In this arrangement, there is no mechanical connection between the engine and supercharger. See, here it is the engine and your supercharger is there, so there is no mechanical connection, means there is no gear connection is there. Third one is direct coupling between engine and compressor and turbine. See this arrangement. So the advantage of this arrangement is when the turbine output is insufficient to run the compressor, the power the power developed by the turbine is insufficient, and the extra power is required is taken from the engine. In addition to this, an additional power from the turbine can be fed to the engine load. Fourth one is compressor geared with engine and free turbine. See the arrangement. Okay, the engine drives the compressor in the first arrangement, but the energy in the exhaust is utilized to develop the power passing through the separate power turbine. Most free piston engines work on this principle. After cooler is provided to supply cool air to the engine, so the mass of air taken can be increased. Installation of supercharger. There are two methods of arranging the supercharger when used for SI engine relative to the carburetor and engine. It may be placed either ahead of the carburetor or between the carburetor and the engine. See, this is the carburetor. There is air inlet is there. There is the supercharger. So, in most of the racing car fitted with supercharger, the arrangement shown in the above figure. So, this type of supercharger is used in racing car. Advantage of this system is that the fuel can be fed to the carburetor by the same system as used with the other engine. Disadvantage of the system is that the supercharger handles explosive mixture instead if pure air, and in case of backfire through the carburetor, there will be a explosion in the supercharger. In aircraft engine, the supercharger and inlet manifold, which are large volume of relief valve, is provided on the inlet manifold, so that in case of explosion in the inlet system, no excessive pressure can develop. So see, this is another arrangement. In racing car engine, the volume of the supercharger and inlet manifold is very much smaller and valves are relatively heavier. Hence, a relief valve is considered unnecessary. When the supercharger is located ahead of the carburetor, the fuel must be fed under pressure as shown in the above figure. See this figure. Thank you.